I actually really love the look of this.
20, oh balls, 20 kilometers, oh hello, wheelie. Oh, oh, whee. That's cool. Oh, and it jumps so well. That's actually for the size of it. So it has got a really, really strong brake, so it's going to get really tail happy. Then you should be all right, but it'll power really well. Whee! Ball. Whee! I mean, I even set up my little quarter pipe jump up against the wall to see if I could do some wall rides. Up against the wall. Now, the jumps aren't the best. They're double wall card.